Before we get started, if you enjoy my iPhone tutorials and want to support the channel, consider joining our YouTube membership. You'll get exclusive perks, and it really helps me create more helpful videos like this. Also, if you're looking for high-quality wired headphones, USB-C or Lightning adapters, or other iPhone accessories, check out my recommended product list in the video description below. Now let's fix your iPhone. If your plugged-in headphones aren't working on your iPhone, don't worry. In most cases, it's caused by a loose connection, dirt inside the charging port, or a simple software glitch. Let's go through the fixes one by one. The first thing to check is whether your headphones are plugged in all the way. If you're using a thick phone case, it might prevent the connector from seating properly. Remove the case and reconnect your headphones firmly. Sometimes that's all it takes. Next, inspect your iPhone's charging port. Pocket lint and dust can build up inside the Lightning or USB-C port over time. Use a flashlight and look inside the port. If you see any debris, carefully remove it using a wooden toothpick or another non-metal tool. Never use anything metal because it can damage the connector pins. Now let's make sure your iPhone is sending audio to the correct device. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap the AirPlay icon in the music controls. If your headphones are connected correctly, they should appear in the list. If another device, like AirPods or a Bluetooth speaker, is selected, tap your wired headphones instead. Speaking of Bluetooth, that's another common reason wired headphones don't work. If your iPhone is connected to wireless earbuds, your car, or another Bluetooth speaker, audio may automatically play through that device. Open Settings. Tap Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off temporarily. Then reconnect your wired headphones and test the audio again. If you're using a Lightning to 3.5mm or USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter, make sure the adapter isn't the problem. Try using a different adapter if you have one. You should also test your headphones on another phone, tablet, or computer. If they don't work on another device either, then the issue is most likely with the headphones and not your iPhone. If the headphones work on another device, let's try restarting your iPhone. For iPhones with Face ID, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Once your iPhone restarts, plug the headphones back in and test them again. If your headphones connect but the volume is extremely low, there's one more setting to check. Open Settings. Go to Accessibility. Tap Audio and Visual. Then open Headphone Accommodations. Turn it on and adjust the audio settings to see if that improves the sound quality. If you've tried all of these steps and your headphones still don't work, but you've already confirmed the headphones and adapter work on another device, your iPhone may have a hardware problem. The charging port pins or the internal audio hardware could be damaged. In that case, it's a good idea to have your iPhone inspected by Apple or an authorized repair center. Before you leave, let me know in the comments, which iPhone model are you using? Are you using USB-C headphones, Lightning headphones, or a headphone adapter? And did restarting your iPhone fix the problem? If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.